This is a Trane XR air conditioner. Pretty sure it's a straight cool unit. It is a 14 or 15 seer. Don't know what year it is. I'd say it's fairly new. And I'd say it's like a 2 or 2.5 ton. Possibly a 3 ton, don't know. It has the Alliance scroll compressor down there. I think there is a Sanyo ductless unit over there. Over here. Don't know if it's running or not. Yeah, it's a Sanyo inverter. Nope, it's not running. Fan right there. R14A. Slope type diagram. Outdoor unit. Slope type air conditioners. Yeah, this is a straight cool unit. Manufacture date right there. There's the manufacture date right there. And this is a 2 ton. Sanyo ductless air conditioner. Hopefully the train was actually running about 30 minutes ago with a low ambient kit engaged. Unfortunately, it shut off, so I missed that opportunity. That's very unfortunate. If it turned on right now, that'd be awesome. Actually, no, I think I see the data sheet down there. Can't tell. But yeah, that is a straight cool unit. I think it says central cooling air conditioner on the data sheet. Come on, turn on. I don't think it's going to turn on anytime soon. Well, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll just wait like 30 more seconds. Yeah, I imagine this uses R14A refrigerant. Come on. Yeah, I can't really read. Oh, sweet. Awesome. Wow. And the low ambient kit's not engaging this time. Oh, yes it is. It's running on a low ambient kit. I think it's a little too warm for that to be happening. It's like in the 70s right now. This morning it was in the 50s and it was running on a low ambient kit, and yet it still is now. It's kind of funny. It's in, I think it's like 74 or 75 degrees right now. Yeah, that has the low ambient kit engaged, as you can see. The fan doesn't seem to want to stay on for very long. It's actually kind of funny. The low ambient kit's engaging this when it's this warm out, and it's kind of humid. Yeah, I don't know what year that is. I'd say that's like 2015 or 16. Could be newer. Oh. You know what? I could actually get a closer shot. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that's an energy gun right there. Yeah, that's a straight cool unit, as you can see there. Or I don't know if you can see it, but it's a 14 to 15.5 seer. There's it has an external filter dryer. I think it actually might have 2. Yeah, that's... There it is. Trane XR. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.